Welcome to Ils Fourshue. This is one of the most beautiful right here in Gustavia, St. Barts. Like you couldn't have it anymore. This is, we're so close to shore. On a mooring bow, just around the corner is Saint Barts, Gustavia. Circle around. We're in this one. This is absolutely beautiful. It's a dream to be on a mooring boat like that. Beautiful maintained, good line, look up easy, well seen, and you can down below too, well maintained. About 10 of them here. You do have to pay for them in Gustavia. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect, isn't it? Hello everyone. We're anchored. No, we're moored in Ils Fourshue. Just a little bit out of Gustavia, St. Barts. I gotta show you this mooring bow. Look at this. This is absolutely one of the most beautiful mooring bows I've seen. You see it? It's like incredible. Oh, look at this. It's beautiful here. Even sunset will be perfect. So sunset, it is one of a really cool place to snorkel right back there. We were here last week and snorkeled around, and I think I have some really good footage. Hopefully I have it, and I haven't lost it. My unfortunate part was I came out with the GoPro 10, and when I came out of the water, apparently my battery had water in it. It was water locked, kind of. And I'm going like, what the heck? Why is this? I still don't know. I truly hope I have the footage from it still, because this is really fantastic to go snorkel here. It's the first time I've seen a coral, actually. Still kind of yellowish, pinkish. Everywhere else I've gone so far, the coral has been kind of all darkened. So, but fish, even today, it was just incredible. Like you saw, there's one fish there that had like a blue with red. It's spectacular. And then we were cleaning the boat up with all the barnacles on it, and it's two big tarpons down below. And as we're cleaning it, of course, all the other fish came and started to munch on all the stuff that came off the boat. And just as I came up, I'm like, okay, there is a barracuda. He showed me his teeth. I'm going out. Don't want to take a chance with him. Sorry, guys. You may think so, but I'm not into this. Look at this. Didn't the students flake this perfectly? Cool, eh? Yeah, that's what it looks like. Beautiful. So, anyways, wishing y'all a wonderful night and enjoy it. Hopefully, yeah, it's rocking quite a bit. You can see that. We have a few more weeks on the boat, heading to Antigua for an overnight sail tomorrow night. And then I guess these things will come out too. We'll see. I don't really want to give this up, but it's time to go home soon. So I'll keep you posted. Gonna miss this, but it'll be beautiful. Look at that. Oh goodness, just beautiful. Evening sunset couldn't be any more spectacular. Bye for now. Take care. Oh, and by the way, hit that button, subscribe, and share. Give me some comments, give me feedback. Always love to hear it. Bye for now, everyone. Bye. Good morning, everyone. This is where we are still. Fourshue. Oh, this ball kept us awake last night. Kept on bouncing onto the bow. This is our morning view. I have to say, I'm very lucky. Sending you some sunshine. Off we go. See you shortly. Philadelphia, actually. Comes the money. That line comes out, you see? Comes out quite a bit. Came out quite a bit earlier. Right over it after. I saw it. It's just before we got in here. I saw it going up. Thingy dock is right there. There we go. Oh, I know. There's our look here. Gustavia. Incredible. Imagine all that. We're in Gustavia. Come see. That's what I mean. Look what this looks like. That's cool.